Somehow I just feel like singing, right? Sing with me. This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica. It's the land of my birth. Hi everyone, my name is Tania and welcome to my channel, and this is where I will teach you about my Jamaican Patois, and I will be providing you with the information and help needed on ideas on how to speak the language. I am a proud Jamaican, teaching the language, learning with you. Right now, I am going to give you a brief background on Jamaica as a country. In order for you to learn the language, I think that it is very important that you know what Patois is and also get a brief background on the country. So that is why in my first lesson, you were told what the Jamaican Patois is. Please ensure that you watch that video. But right now, I am just grateful for the opportunity to be giving you a little background on Jamaica as a country. With the background and knowing what Patois is, this will help you to appreciate the language more when you learn it. Alright? Now, Jamaica was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1492, and the island was taken over by Britain in 1655. During this time, it was a plantation economy of sugar, cocoa, and coffee. The total area of our island Jamaica is 10,991 square kilometers. Our population is 2,825,928 people. 91.2% of the population is black, 6.2% mixed, and a life expectancy of 73.53 years. 2.25 children are born per woman in Jamaica, and our country is relatively healthy and well established. Our literacy rate is 87.9%, and part of the reason for this number is the conflict between the Jamaican Standard English, which is our language, official language, and Patois, which is what you have learned about in the first video that was given to you. Now, please note that it is very important that you watch the first video that was given to you, what is the Jamaican Patois, because when you have an idea of what the Patois is, this will give you the knowledge and the understanding. So when I'm going deeper, giving you the phrases, giving you words and teaching you about the language, this will help you. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do a quick revision. Now, the first thing that we had learned is that history shows that Christopher Columbus discovered Jamaica in 1492, and Jamaica was taken over by Britain in 1655. 2.8 million people living on the island, with 91.2% of the population being black. Due to the conflict with the Jamaican Standard English and Patois, which is what you're going to learn now, the literacy rate in Jamaica stands at 87.9%. Remember, you can always send me an email. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe and leave your comments below. Yeah man, thanks for watching. A little more, alright? I am just excited. Take care.